Hey guys, it's Kevin again. Welcome to Wireless Network in Packet Tracer Part 2. With the Part 1, we're talking about we configure WPA and WPA2 preset. Now, that's preset as personal. Today, I shall be showing you how to configure WPA2 Enterprise or WPA Enterprise, which requires a radio server to authenticate its users. Unfortunately for this, a normal access point does not support the future. Normal wireless access point does not support the future for WPA2. So what we'll use, we will need a wireless router. Now we'll need an authentication server. Wow, I think that's all for now. So you go here, need to connect your server, pass Ethernet to LAN 1. Now you go to your router, go to the graphical users configuration. Now you need to configure the address of your router. So that will be a .1.1. Then you save the configuration. You go on wireless. You give the SSID, that's the name of the network. This one, let's just take this one to be Cisco 4. And you save. Go to security, wireless security mode. We take our WPA Enterprise. Now you give address of the radio server 192.168. Oops, what am I doing? 192.168.1, and let's give a radio server to be .5. So this address will be the address that will be used on our radio server, and we'll need a preset key. Let's take this one to be Cisco WPA2. So this preset key for this one, the shared secret will be Cisco WPA2. Now what you do, you save the changes, mark filter. There's nothing left to be done here. So you move now to your radio to your server. First, you need to configure an IP address. The IP address now of this server will be the address of the radio server we gave to the wireless router. So it will be 192.168.1.5. Now we need a gateway. For now, this server will be using the gateway of the gateway will be the address that we configured on this router, on this wireless router, which is this address 192.168.1.1. So our gateway here is 192.168.1.1. That's that. Now we move to our services AAA. Now this is our radio server. Now we need the client name will be the name of our radios of our wireless router. That was Cisco 4. We need an IP address. That will be the address of 192.168.2.1.1 to our gateway. Now we need that share secret we use was Cisco. Cisco WPA2. I hope I'm not missing out something. Our wireless security was Cisco WPA2. Great. So we have Cisco. We have Cisco WPA2. Now it's a radio server, not a clicker server. So we just add. Now we need to create our users. The first user, let me take user 1. You has a password of user 1. You add. Go to user 2. His password is user. So right now we go to our wireless devices. Let's take this laptop, go to desktop, wireless device, go to create profile. Default on your default profile, you edit your default profile. You refer so I will know the network we are connecting to. Now we are connecting the WPA enterprise is Cisco 4. Remember? So you go advanced setting, Cisco 4. Now we are using an infrastructure mode because you are connecting device to an access point, you are not directly connecting this device to another device. So you take next. For now there's nothing interesting here, go to next. Yeah, security is what WPA enterprise, go to next. Now you give the name of the first user, that was user 1 and his password was user 1. Now the encryption here is not TCP/IP but it's AES. Verify, go to your wireless. You see the encryption here was AES, so we use the same encryption. Where is AES, you go to next, you save and you return to your device on profile, click that and you connect. It's definitely gonna take a while before it connects to the network. So while we are waiting for it to connect, let's can start doing this one. Go to desktop, wireless, go to your profile, edit profile, you wait to connect to your network. Yeah, that was Cisco for advanced. Next, security, WPA enterprise. Next, that was user 2, the password user 2. Go to next and you save, you return. Now you connect network. Wow, that's great, that's connected. Now you are all set. As easy as that, guys. Now for you to link it to this other network, so you can communicate with these other networks, you definitely need a switch. Let me take this switch. Now you will be linking fast Ethernet to LAN 1. No. Take some time, and this one will be linking this. We'll have this and this. Now this man will need to give an IP address to this devices. You go here with disable the DHCP, you give 192.168. It's a .1 network, make .1. Now you give it, let's take .6. Give gateway 192.168.1.1. think that's it. Go here, this man disable DHCP, give an address 192.168.1.7 and 192.168.1.1. Okay, let's see if this one can send packet for now between among themselves. Oops, that's successful. Try with the server, successful. Server and this guy, successful. So let's configure our router. Our router now is gigabit internet 02. Let's configure gigabit internet 02. Have go to device router, enable config T interface gigabit 0/2. Give it an IP address 192.168.1.1 255.255.255.0. Now you do your no shot to bring the interface up. Now here, if you are configuring the type of cable you use, just take an automatic, choose so let's wait. It will take some time for it to load the configuration. Now everywhere is green light, so I think we are set to go. So let's try to do some packeting. You take this man, you can ping the gateway. This one can see this router, and this man definitely should see any of these devices successful. So now you're able to leave from this network to this other network. That is great. This one successful, and this network successful. Thank you guys for your time. Don't forget to comment and subscribe for my next tutorials, and I bet you shall love it. See you guys.